I often think that venture investing is just an elaborate exercise in survivorship bias. You hear about the great successes or unicorns, but you don't hear about the thousands of projects that were decent and failed, or even the many more thousands of projects that were garbage. And for us anyway, it's rarely a case where it's purely uninvestable or purely investable, at least for the projects we look at. It's usually a hybrid, and you try to manage those risks. As you were talking, I was thinking about a company we invested in a long time ago. It was one of our first investments. It was a Bitcoin derivatives exchange, and they were trying to get licensed. And before the regulators really had any education about the asset class. And we had concerns about that. We had concerns that one of the founders was as volatile as the asset class was. And we had concerns about the product market fit. And over the course of about 4 years, all of those concerns materialized to the point where the founder had a drunk tweet tantrum against the regulator going on for a couple days. They couldn't get customers. It was, anything that could have gone wrong went wrong. And ultimately, it was actually one of our most successful investments. And I highlight that just to point out that at least, if I'm being really honest, when we do decide to make an investment, the chances that it succeeds are as likely as the chances that it fails for reasons well beyond our control.